Assalamualaikum grade 5. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start your next lecture of English Oxford. So open your book at page number 40, Unit 8, Saving the Turtle. Unit 8, Lesson 1. Read the text and answer the question. Why is Saira organizing a fundraiser? This is a dialogue. A dialogue is a conversation between two or more people. Here are two characters in this dialogue. The first one is a grandma and the second one is Saira. They are talking about the turtle conservation project. Grandma asked from Saira, "Did you enjoy your stay at the turtle conservation project?" Saira, "Yes, thanks. Grandma, I'm giving a talk about it next week. You must both come." Grandma, "Of course, I would like to hear about the turtles." Saira, "The project is trying to collect money. I would like the help, but I don't know how." Grandma, "What about organizing a fundraiser on Saturday morning?" Saira, "I could do that. Yes, I think that's a really good idea." Grandma, "How about having a bring and buy stall? People can give things they don't want to the stall. Then they can buy other things they like." Grandma, "You could always have a cake stall." Grandma, "Your mom and I could make lots of cakes for you to sell, and I could come and buy some." Grandma, "Not too many or you will look like a turtle yourself." Here are some answers and questions. Who is giving a talk about? What about? Saira is giving a talk about turtle saving project. Who needs money? Turtle conservation project. Who is going to collect some money? How? Saira is going to collect money by fundraising. What do you know about turtles? Turtles are beautiful green colored creatures. Students, now open page 41, Unit 8, Lesson 2, Words. Write the plural nouns on the correct lines below. These are the singular nouns. You have to write their plurals. Boy, city, country, day, monkey, fairy, journey, key, lady and valley. You will write here the words that end with Y. You will write here S, boys, days, journeys, keys and valleys. And the consonants that end with Y, you will write here cities, you will write IES, fairies and ladies. Here are two groups of nouns, singular and plural. Knives, loaf, loaves, wife, wives. Irregular plurals हैं child, children, men, men, women, women. Find 5 more plural nouns below for each group. Write the singular plural pairs in your notebook. Mice, mouse, oxen, ox, geese, goose, calf, calves. Pens will be pens, scarves, scarf, thieves, thief, feet, foot, halves, half and lives, life. Complete the sentences with a singular plural noun from exercise 1 and 2. Then listen and check your answer. Here I have completed this exercise. One fine day, a boy got on the bus to go to the city. He wanted to buy a scarf for his mother. He had a little money in his bag, about 80 pence. His father warned him before he left home, "Be careful with your money on your journey. There are a lot of thieves in the city." Two men were traveling along a country track in a valley between two hills. They were taking a calf to the market on a cart pulled by 2 oxen. "We have a big problem with mice," said one man to the other. "They are eating the rice in the storeroom. Soon there will be none left for our geese." Students, now open the book at page number 42, Unit 8, Lesson 3, Reading Saira's story. Read Saira's story and answer the question. Why were the numbers of green turtles falling? Find problems in the text to match to the pictures. This is a story of the Saira. Parveen and I have just arrived at the Marine Turtle Project. It's at Hawke's Bay near Karachi. We are going to stay here for a few days and help. The Sindh Wildlife Department set up the Marine Turtle Project in 1979. Saira is talking about the Marine Turtle Project on a Hawke's Bay that was set up in 1979 for saving the turtles. Dr. Fahmida Firdaus has been working in the SWD since 1980. She loves the turtles and her nickname is the Turtle Lady of Karachi. This is a story of Saira about the turtles. Students, read it very, very carefully. Read this reading and I will solve the exercise. In the story, Saira has told us how the turtles came out of their eggs, and how they walked towards the sea. Students, exercise number 2. Mark these sentences true or false and correct the false one. This is your task. You will read the book reading very carefully and complete this work. Grade 5. Here is the fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences with words from the text. You have to complete these blanks from the words from the text. Pollution is caused when ships spill oil at sea. Poachers are people who kill animals or collect eggs illegally. Turtles lay eggs when they are adult. Sarah marked the site of the nest with a stick. When baby birds or turtles come out of their eggs, they hatch. It is safer to keep the eggs in pens than to leave them out in the wild. Turtles and babies crawl on the ground. When a bird swims down, it flies down very quickly through the air. Grade 5. Now open your English grammar book at page number 33. Unit 10 are the verbs. We have already learned that a sentence has a subject and a verb and an object. Lisa bought a book. Lisa is the subject of the sentence. The subject is what the sentence is about. A book is an object. In the sentence, the subject is active. Lisa has bought something, hence bought is an active verb. Now read the sentence. The book was bought by Lisa. Subject took was bought as something was done to the subject. Hence, in this case, the word was bought is a passive verb. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Underline the verb and say whether it's an active or passive voice. The boys rode their bicycle. Rode their bicycle. Rode is a verb, so it will be active voice. The man was hit by a scooterist. This is passive voice. Some men removed the lights from the train. Removed will be verb here. Active voice. The children were attacked by the monkeys. Attacked is a verb and this is passive voice. Copy the sentences in your notebook. Change the active verbs to passive. One example has been done for you. For example, a deadly monster attacked the crowd. This is active voice. The crowd was attacked by a deadly monster. This is passive voice. I baked this cake today. This cake was baked by me today. We buy our grocery from a nearby shop. Our grocery is bought from a nearby shop. The enemy fired a shot at him. He was shot a fire by his enemy. Mother read a story every night. As the story was read by the mother every night. I washed all my clothes yesterday. All my clothes were washed by me yesterday. Copy the sentences in your notebook. Change the sentences from passive to active. One example has been done for you. The tree was hit by the car. The car hit the tree. The model was being made by the architects. The architects were making the model. The program was not liked by the parents. Parents did not like the program. The house was painted by the workers. The workers painted the house. The roads were being cleaned by them. They were cleaning the roads. Here, copy the sentences in your notebook. Complete them with the correct verb and tense. It consists of two high hills, one about 700 feet high and the other twice that high. The entire island is surrounded by a beach of white sand. The island is inhabited by tribals. The coral reef completely encircled the island. Students, on page number 35, this is your task. Read the passage given below and rewrite the passive verb as active verbs wherever possible.